Hello, my name is Michael Maticoli, and I am a third-year CS and IMGD major at Worcester Polytechnic Institute.
My name is Lucas Varela, and I am a third-year CS major.
We are super excited to tell you about the Jazz History Database Global Contributor Project.
The Jazz History Database is a non-profit organization at WPI that archives recordings, photographs, and other jazz artifacts from all around the world that might otherwise disappear over time. For every big name in jazz, there are dozens of great artists who don't make it to the national scene. The goal of the Jazz History Database is to celebrate the accomplishments of these artists, whether they be in music, poetry, visual art, or any other field.
Many of these jazz artifacts are showcased in the JHDB's online museum at JazzHistoryDatabase.com. In March 2019, inspired by the decades of amazing and unique content in the online museum, and astounded by all of the hours of manual work that went into building the website, we set out to create a system that would make it easier for the students working in the lab to digitize and process the media coming in and get it online more efficiently.
Our goal was to build a tool that would allow students at the lab to enter media into a simple web form that would output web pages from hand-built templates. As we learned more about the contributors behind the online museum's content and worked through the details of the technology, the scope of the project quickly grew to include international contributors in our target user base.
On the technical side, we wanted the tool to be powerful and future-proofed, but our top priority was usability. We wanted to make sure that technical expertise would not be a barrier, and every decision, down to the colors and placement of buttons, was informed by that goal.
Fast forward through a year of development, and we are now wrapping up the core functionality and documenting the new global contributor system as part of our interactive qualifying project, advised by Professor Keith Sizza of the Interactive Media and Game Development Department, a talented and respected musician himself.
We hope that contributors from all backgrounds will find our tool to be straightforward and even enjoyable to use. Currently, correspondents from countries all around the world, including the Netherlands, Austria, Berlin, and the Czech Republic, as well as our own peers working remotely for the JHDB lab, are waiting to get their hands on this tool to start getting content online. This project wouldn't be possible without the efforts and insights of talented and passionate individuals from many different backgrounds. We would especially like to thank Professor Rich Falco, the Jazz History Database's founder and driving force, Professor Mike Drenick, the mastermind behind much of the technology powering the JHDB website, and Tom Bellino, the JHDB's global correspondent, as well as our advisors, Professor Charlie Roberts of the Computer Science and Interactive Media and Game Development departments, who advised the prototyping phase of the project, and of course our IQP advisor, Professor Keith Sizza. We would also like to thank the student builders at the JHDB who have given critical feedback and user insight on the global contributor system. It's been an incredibly great experience learning about the Jazz History Database and figuring out how to design a friendly yet powerful tool for the global jazz community, and we can't wait to get it online.